Hello everybody, this is Lara of Lana's Knits and Knots. Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to start a strand of yarn on plastic canvas and how to end it. And I'm going to use a lizard cotton yarn because it's so easy to see. You also need a tapestry needle. I have the metallic ones, it's a small size and you can get through very nicely. You need a pair of scissors and we need the yarn. So chunky yarn would be best as it will fill the holes much more better. And so what I'm going to do is just double the yarns as I'm working, and I'll show you what I mean. So now we're going to get the tapestry needle and we're going to put in the strand of yarn through it. Then we're going to cut a piece off. We're going to be working with pieces. We cannot work with one continuous strand of yarn. We're going to have to be cutting many pieces as we're working. So here's the mesh. I'm going to start anywhere. Let's start here in the middle. So I'm going to pull my strand of yarn from below, and I want to leave about 3 to 4 inches behind so that I can be able to hold it secured and tight like this. So you're just going to hold the strand at the back and hold it tight, push it there through the hole. And now let's start the stitch. You can make any stitch. You can make a straight stitch, you can make a slanted stitch, you can make whatever design you want. There's so many designs. Check on YouTube, there are other videos where ladies show different types of stitches, but maybe I'll cover that in the future. For now I'm going to use a slanted stitch. So as you can see, I'm going to go around that piece of yarn at the back. Make sure when you're stitching you make sure it's inside in the stitches, okay? So you can see that I go twice on one line just to give it body. You can see the yarn at the back is hidden under the stitches. So we're gonna go on until the strand of yarn is almost done.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city I've been feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and now that it's been.
So this is the back. We're going to pull the tapestry needle through all the stitches the other way back. You can pull it as far as you can and just squeeze it tight so that it's all tight and neat. strands just to check they're all tight, and then we're gonna cut them off. As you can see, or like you can just grab any corner and you pass through the yarn from the bottom, and then pretty much take it to the next hole where you want your design, like how you want your design. So I'm going to do another slant at the opposite of this design, but still the slanting stitch. You can see I'm still going to hold my few inches at the end behind and make sure it will be right in the middle of all the stitches that I'm going to work through.
I'm sorry, I feel no attraction, and now that it's been a bit, 'cause I've been so long, so long. Oh, 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 hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Oh, 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 hey. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Oh, 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 hey. I'm so low for so long. Oh, 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 hey. I'm sorry, forgive me for you know that I'm always sinning. I take no winter's body in my liquor fucking lemon system. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city I've been feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction, and now that it's been a bit.
So I'm just ending the whole line here.